welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I made this flavored lemonade, and it's very refreshing and very nice. I think you would like it. So yeah, I used the raspberries, peaches, blueberries and strawberries. Enjoy the rest of the video. So basically I'm just making the syrup that I'm going to need for the lemonade, because you can't have the lemonade, you know, kind of like tangy and sour. You can't really have that, so you need this for it. So at this point I'm just rubbing the lemons, because just to allow the juice to come to the middle of the lemons, if that makes sense. So kind of like breaking the membranes, basic. Oh yes, so just juicing the lemons, because we don't want no artificial lemon juice. We're using fresh lemon juice, yes guys. And then after doing this, I'm just going to add the lemon juice with the syrup that I already made from the beginning in a jug. So yeah. So the first one I'm doing is the raspberries, and all you have to do is blend them and then sieve it if you want it smooth. If you don't want it to be smooth, you can just blend it a little bit and then have, like, you know, chunky bits in it, but I don't like that. So yes, I saved it. And then I'm going to add the lemonade that's already made to it, and then add some ice cubes just to make it a little bit chilled, you know, make it better. So the next one is the strawberries. I'm so sorry, I didn't realize my camera wasn't recording, but I basically did the same thing. I just blended it and then I'm sieving and then transfer into the jar, but I'm so sorry once again. And yeah, so we're pretty much doing the same process for every one of them, which is the adding of the lemonade and the ice cubes. Now moving on to blueberries. Blueberries is a little bit different. What you have to do is add a little bit of water and then bring it to a boil, basically, and allow it to release all the juice, because you know the heat is breaking all the membranes and, you know, allowing it to release its juice. I miss biology, but anyways, yes. And then for like you just need to like boil for like 5 minutes, and after that you're just going to leave it to cool and then transfer into your jar, and then do the same thing, add lemonade and then ice cubes. Okay, so for the peaches as well, all you have to do is add a little bit of water and then boil to allow it to release its juice. I'm using foil because I just don't like, because you know peaches are a little bit, you know, hard, so I felt like I needed to cover it to allow it to absorb all the heat. So that's why I did that. And then you allow it to cool down, and then transfer it into your jar, pour out your lemonade, add some ice cubes, and there you have it. So here we go. It was literally nice and refreshing, and you know, the fact that it was fresh, you made it yourself, just makes it better. And I think you should try out this recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Also share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.